Yes, good afternoon. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Please like, share, and subscribe. Today on the menu we got Jamaican seasoned rice. Seasoned rice. In America, I want to call it gumbo. But the only difference is I'm not going to put no meat in this. You know? Piece of codfish. Some ackee. This is a fruit called ackee from the Caribbean. It looks just like egg, but it's not egg. It actually tastes tremendous. A lot of Americans do not like ackee because the way it look, them say it look like egg, but only if them give it a chance. Alright? And to flavor up the pot, we're gonna add some Grace coconut milk, Grace pumpkin. Alright? And the seasoning we have carrot, pumpkin, potatoes, garlic, thyme, ginger, pimenta, scallion. Alright? Can't wait for it done. Show on the part 2 when it's finished.